In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quickly chart in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you've got the frame or layout ready where the chart will live. Having the destination set first makes it easier to size and place the chart correctly later. Next, open the plugin launcher by pressing Ctrl-K. In the Quick Actions menu, click on Plugins, then search for Charts. When you see the Charts plugin, run and open it. This plugin generates chart graphics directly inside your file based on the options you pick, which saves a ton of time compared to drawing shapes manually. Once the plugin opens, choose a chart type. You can select line, bar, pie, or donut. Pick the one that best fits your data story. Line works well for trends over time. Bar is great for comparing categories, and pie or donut helps communicate proportions at a glance. Now adjust the series, data points, and the data range start and end. Series controls how many distinct groups or categories your chart will include. Data points defines how many values appear within each series, which is especially relevant for line and bar charts. The data range start and end set the minimum and maximum values the plugin will use when generating the chart, helping you match the scale to your context and avoid extreme or misleading values. When your settings look right, click Add Chart. The plugin will place a chart on your canvas using the parameters you chose. From here, refine the look so it fits your design. Adjust colors to align with your palette. Update axes so labels and tick marks are readable, and tweak legends so they clearly explain what each series represents. A good rule of thumb is to keep contrast high for text and reduce visual noise so your audience can scan and understand the data quickly. Finally, resize the chart using the live resizing feature. This keeps proportions and spacing consistent as you scale, so your chart remains legible on different frames or device mockups. As you resize, check that labels don't overlap. Bars stay balanced and pie slices are still distinguishable. That's it. Thanks for watching.